margin, but they've got to make full use of it now and stay professional.
So here we go in the second half. The trailing team will not be looking forward to another 45 minutes if it's similar to the first half. And this is John Utaka. Sergio Aguero. Sergio Aguero's World Cup was a cameo of his season with Manchester City in the 2013-14 campaign. He played, but he often looked less than fully fit. And the cross coming in. That's loose play, really, to squander possession. And good contact there with the header. And oh, he's through. He's one-on-one with the goalkeeper. Here's the shot. Fantastic save. Fabulous clearance. Throw in now. Goes for goal. Oh, kept the shot out. It's still in play. What we've got here is a group that's been put together but hasn't really gelled together as just a group of workers.
Yeah, you hear about one or two rumours, rifts in the camp, one or two arguments, and judging by this performance, I think that's probably true. Carrying the ball forward. Jouffre. Well, for me, Alan, this guy's playing really at the top of his game. Do you think so?
It looks that way, Martin. He cannot get enough of the ball. He's dominating things out there.
Aguero. In at goal. Tries his luck. Well, that's straight at the goalkeeper. Easy for him to hang on. Knew exactly where he wanted to head that. John Utaka. Aguero in the middle. And here we'll see what they can manage from the corner. It's another chance to have a look at Sergio Aguero's goal. And he's headed it well out of harm's way. Cross coming in now. And the cross has just drifted away. Here's Gazzola. John Utaka.
Congratulations from everyone to Dave
Sergio Aguero. How frustrating is this for the other team, trying to get the touch of the ball? Substitute coming up for the away team. He's gone for goal. Coming up, a corner.
Substitution on the field. Going on is number 2.
Solid work from the goalkeeper. Tried to steer it in with the volley. He missed it. Pressure really on yet another corner. Utaka. It's a goal from the header.
The way he's moved on to that ball, you just knew he was going to score with that header. Really good take.
Well, this team is taking a resounding lead. Working hard just to see maybe a sight of goal. Made the challenge well. And in goes the cross. Great chance, and the shot's on. Oh, it's off the bar. Utaka, and he scores right into the bottom corner.
all about timing this one, and the way he steered it into the bottom left was superb.
They're a terrific team, and they're getting the goals to emphasise their superiority. It's gone out for a throw-in. Almost done for the team. Don't think for the supporters. They want to keep singing.
Yeah, I think a few of them will be out on the town tonight after this performance and win.
Joufre. Sergio Aguero. Yutaka! Well, that's straight at the goalkeeper. Prepper. That's a real tussle for the ball. Sergio Aguero. And this is Utaka. Oh, he's through. Aguero in the middle. He will be adjudged offside here. Close, but got to get the movement timed a little bit better.
You just want your striker to delay that run. He is pretty quick. He can afford to give the defender another yard.
And in it comes quickly with the throw-in. Prepper.
At least 4 minutes of added time.
He's looking for the cross. Joufre. Utaka. They've got the ball in the middle of the pitch here. And they've got a free kick here. That's what defenders do, head the ball away like that. Aguero. 6-1 the final score, final whistle just gone.
Ladies and gentlemen, for your own